job, Gia. Good job, Lily. Good job, Macy. Almost, Rosie. Almost. Rosie. Settle. Yes. Good job, Rosie. Okay. Settle. What did you do, Lily? Good job, Lily. Okay. Leave it. Yes. Yes, Lily. Yes, Gia. Okay, so what we're trying to do here is ask for settles with Rosie not barking. Every time she barks, I'm going to give her a release, like an okay, and not treat her. And I'm kind of focusing really just on Rosie. So if anyone else is offering me a settle, I may say good job, great job, but I'm really focusing on Rosie being able to ask or offer the settle without barking. Settle. Yes, good girl. Good girl. Good job, Macy. Okay. We go back to the chair. Settle. Yes. Yes. Okay. Settle. Yes.